Hello friends, I am Emre Atta. Since 2019, I have been in the Binance affiliate program. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can trade tokenized American stocks. The stock we are looking at today is Micron. I will show you step by step how you can easily trade Micron on Binance Mobile with your phone. Also, as I say in every video, you are welcome to use my referral code BESTCODEMAX or FUTURESMAX. Let us get right into the video. Yes friends, I am now going to demonstrate how you can trade Micron tokenized stocks using the Binance Global application. To begin with, you need to open an account on Binance Global with the referral code you see on the screen. This code will provide you with various advantages. You can get a 20% commission rebate on spot and a 10% commission rebate on leveraged trades for life, subject to your country's regulation. Next, fill out the form here. You can use your Google, Apple, or your Telegram account. You can create your account by following the relevant steps using your email address or mobile phone number. Now, when we come to the Binance Global homepage, the system will ask us for KYC verification. To do KYC verification, passport, ID, you can use your driver's license or residence card with the mobile phone in your hand by sending the documents. You can perform this verification very nicely and quickly. In the next step, we must deposit funds into Binance Global and purchase Tether or USDC. I'm clicking on the wallet, then clicking the yellow button to add funds. You may select the option that is most convenient for you here. I am selecting the purchase with US dollars. Yes, you can pick one of the payment methods here. I picked Visa MasterCard confirmed. I'll write $500 here. When I type it, it says preview order. After I click it, after confirming, your $500 will be in your account. But there might be taxes or fees. Watch out for this. Now, we have 500 Tether. Where can we purchase the tokenized Micron stocks? I am now clicking on the Market tab. I have opened Micron here, as you can see. Click Info to see all details. It says Micron Technology. I clicked Buy. The reds you see on the left are sell orders, the greens are buy orders, and the one in the middle shows us the current price. When you are making a purchase, you can click on one of the red ones at the top right, specifically the second one in the list. Let's write 500 here and click on the buy section. You can buy it this way. When selling, you will click on the sell section, this time the one on the left, green. You will select one of the numbers or prices. I would recommend the one at the very top. Let us enter our stock amount here and click sell. After clicking sell, the sale happens this way, friends. This is how you trade Micron in tokenized American stocks. Yes, friends, as you can see. Trading Micron stocks is that simple and easy. Please make sure to conduct your own research whenever you invest in any cryptocurrency or tokenized stock. Please don't forget to visit Binance Global's Academy pages too. See you in another video.